Write the following verbal expression as a mathematical expression. So there's this idea of converting words to numbers and numbers to words and being able to communicate about math or interpret what someone else is trying to communicate. So write the following verbal expression as mathematical: 82, 82. The product, so product implies multiplication. So the product of 6 and 14. Now I could write 6 times 14. Most of you are probably used to seeing the x, 6 times 14. The issue is we're going to use the letter x a lot. So we often write it as 6.14 or 6. Sometimes you'll see asterisk 14. You could also write it like this, where you have in front of the parentheses, or you could have it like that, or even like that. Lots of ways of writing multiplication, which is the product. The sum of some unknown number and the quantity 4 times 6. The sum means addition. So I have the sum of some unknown number, which we often call x, plus the quantity. Quantity means the whole thing 4 times 6, not just adding 4 to that unknown and then times 6, but the whole quantity 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6. X plus. Now, if you interpreted it the other way, I mean, the quantity thing I think should make it clear, but there are some times where there are cases where it's not so clear, even to a trained eye. 3 times again multiply, times the difference of a number, and 5 squared. So 3 times the difference of a number and 5 squared could be, or 3 times the difference of a number and 5 squared. A difference of a number doesn't really imply an order. You're just saying we're subtracting these two. Or 3 times the difference of a number and 5 squared. Not very clear. So communicating is really important, and asking clarifying questions. Did you mean the 5 was squared? Or is it the quantity, the difference of the quantity of a number and 5, all squared? What words do you use? And the point here is not that there should be a specific solution for this one, but that you need to be clear on what they're trying to say. And if you're not clear, you should get clarification, or you could at least see what different ways could be interpreted, so that when you're stating things, you can recognize where you're creating ambiguity.